Hi everyone, in today's video we're going to take a look at one of my favorite marks of punctuation, the ampersand. You've probably seen it before. It is a funky looking backwards S with a strike through it. The ampersand can replace the English word and, A-N-D. There are a few rules concerning its use, so why don't we take a quick look. The ampersand is to just use it to replace the word and. Even when you say it aloud, you're still going to use the word and. As in the sentence, you and Joe meet me there. I'm not going to say you ampersand Joe meet me there, even though that's the piece of punctuation that I've used. Again, when you're saying it out loud, the ampersand replaces the word and. And informally, like you're sending someone a text message, you can use the ampersand to always replace and in informal use. Shift 7 on your keyboard. And again, that is for informal use. You can cut down on at least 2 letters off of your typing. But ampersand suggests a close relationship between the items that are being grouped together. I try to illustrate it in these sentences. Today I bought apples and bananas. Tonight I'm having apples and bananas for dessert. In that second sentence, instead of saying A&D, I put in the ampersand to show the reader that I'm slicing up the apples and bananas, putting it all together, and making it a dessert. It's become one entity. So again, informally, yeah, no problem. Just drop in the ampersand. In an email, in an essay, or any other time you need your English to be a little bit more on the point, the ampersand suggests a close relationship. This is why you see the ampersand quite often in business names, such as Marks & Spencer, AT&T, RW & Co. The ampersand in these cases have shown that these different entities have come together to form one company, one corporation. We can also see that when we're talking about bringing different activities together. For example, if you're listening to R&B, you're listening to rhythm and blues. 2 different genres of music have come together to form a new genre of music. And if you need rest, you probably also need relaxation. And so we say R&R. And when we spell it out, we say R ampersand R to mean rest and relaxation happening together at the same time. Now, I have to throw this in there because I just like these quirky little things. The ampersand comes to us all the way from Latin, back when we used to say words like etc. Etc. literally means and other things, and we continue using it in English when we use the short form etc. period. So get this. The et in etc. is from the Latin word for and, in English, and. So, since the ampersand can replace the word and, the Latin word for and is et, we can write it out ampersand C to spell out the word etc. or at least a short form of it. So you may say, I need rest, relaxation, etc. Etc. spelled ampersand C exclamation point. So again, that is something you're maybe never going to use, but I just have to throw that in there. So to recap, informal speaking, you can use that ampersand anytime you want to use the word and. More formally, you want to make sure that the different entities are coming together to form a close relationship if you're going to use the ampersand. Well, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, you might like my video on conjunctions, speaking of the word and. In the meantime, please like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, put them down in the comments. I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. Have a great one, and I will see you soon.